My God, why you so far away? I call your name, but you don't answer me all day. I cry at night, but there ain't no rest. Just pain in my bones and a weight in my chest. Why you so far from me? Yeah, why have you forsaken me? I ain't forgotten you in my darkest days. You were holy then, still holy always. Our fathers trusted, you pulled them through. They cried out loud and you knew what to do. Why you so far from me? Lord, why have you forsaken me? Shake their heads slow. Trust in the Lord, they say, let's see him show. They spit their words like knives in my back, mocking my faith while my hope feel cracked. My strength dried up like the dust in the street. My tongue stick to my mouth, can't find no relief. They circle me round like dogs in the night, hands and feet aching, locked in this fight. Why you so far from me? Yeah, why? Have you forsaken me? Lord, don't stay silent now. You brought me out the womb. Now don't leave me ignored. Like water, bones out of line. My heart melt inside me, losing track of time. They gamble my clothes like I'm already gone, but I'm still breathing, still holding on. I'll tell your name when this pain passed through. I'll stand in the crowd and sing what you do. The poor gonna eat, the lost gonna hear. All ends of the earth gonna know you were near. Why? Yeah, why? But I'm still calling your